You guys, there is a bee surrounding me, and I'm trying to figure out a way for me to open a window without him coming in here, but I don't know. I do have my back windows open because I have my screen bug knitting there, but over here I need to open a window because it's toasty. Hopefully he doesn't come back. I don't know, because if he does, I'm gonna freak out. Okay, that car decided to get out of my way, thank goodness. Anyways, I have cake, and I also have this drink. It's a blueberry lemonade. It has a lot of calories. I didn't even look at that. I have a bad habit of not looking at the calories of the drinks if I try something new, so yeah. But whatever, I guess I'm drinking my calories today. So, not bad. Yeah, not too bad. I don't think I've tried this flavor before, so this is something new. This is what it is. I spent about like 20 bucks at Walmart. I didn't spend too much money, which is a good thing. And then I also got these snowballs, thingamajiggers. I would eat them today, but I'm going to save them for another day because these, for 2 cakes, it's 340 calories. So I'm just going to save that for another day. Anyways, let's take a bite. Mmm! Like I said, I'm not opening my windows too much because I don't want that bee to come in here. This is like a fork/spork. Bad idea to eat with this. It feels weird. Thankfully my car over here, like where I have my like little organizer for my seat, I have like napkins, I have forks and spoons. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. The bee. It's back. It's not working away. I'm letting that guy come in here. Or girl, whatever it is. Not happening. It's gone. It's chilling right on my window. Like my side mirrors. I ain't messing with that. By the way, I saw the school buses parked over there, like the shorter school buses. And I think it's converted like into a van or something. Bus van. I don't know what you call it. But it looks really cool. Like, I like that. If I was to ever get like a bus, I'd get like those shorter buses. I really like those ones. I feel like that's enough room, especially if you have like dogs or cats. It's like the perfect size bus. I don't know why people get those very long buses. Usually people get like those extremely normal long size buses that are for schools for like 1 or 2 people. I just feel like it's too big. I don't even want to imagine what it's like to drive that. Crazy. I see Toyota, I think it's called Highlander. That would be perfect to have for like adventures and things like that. Oh, it's hot in here. The spider's coming out. I also have a spider that lives in my left window over here. Yeah, scary. And again, these ones, maybe I'll try these in a different mukbang or something. I've tried them before, but I'll eat them in a different day. Don't want to have too much sweets and too much calories and things like that. But I think it'd be kind of cool to do like a sweets video of like different kind of sweets. But maybe in the future, I don't know. By the way, let me know if you guys have any ideas what to do for Halloween, for October, and things. I don't know if I'm going to be doing October this year. I really don't know. Probably not. I don't know. Maybe I'll be doing Vlogmas. We'll see how that plays out. But this drink is not too bad. It's kind of like a little too lemony. Maybe sweet for my taste. I don't know. But it's good. Just not too good. I think having sweet plus like cake with that drink is just not a good mix. Maybe if it was something salty or chips or something, probably would taste better, but I don't know. Anyways, I was gonna visit this place in like Hammond, Oregon, but I don't know if I should or not, just because like I don't have a lot of gas and I'm too lazy to fill it up in Oregon, so I don't know if I should just wait and do that another day or what. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, the food was pretty good. The cake is good. I haven't had lunch or dinner or anything like that. It's currently, well, it's lunchtime pretty much, but I haven't had lunch. I'm sorry if I seem out of it. I'm a little tired. My brain's fried, and there's just so much action going on because I'm parked in the Walmart parking lot, and you know there's always stuff going on in the parking lot and people driving by and stuff. So yeah, I guess. Okay, so I'm back in the car. I took off my army shirt just for now because, like, what's it called? Not army shirt, just army print shirt, I guess. I don't know what you would call it. Army shirt, I guess. Just because it's kind of hot in the car, and I like to drive like this because I feel hot when I drive in the car. I don't know why. Maybe from being in the sun and my windows are like tinted, so probably why. But anyways, yeah. So debating if I want to still walk around or not. Still thinking about it because it is a very nice, cool day. So I'm thinking maybe to walk down over there. I don't know yet what we'll do. I don't want to go home. I just want to enjoy my time out because it's a beautiful day, and I like to take advantage of the good days. So, yeah. Okay, so I've decided to check this area again. Remember, this is where I was super scared. So hopefully nothing scary happens today. Wish me luck that nothing bad happens. This is where I heard all those loud noises. Look at this. It does look like something has walked through there. I'm like so paranoid right now. Also, it looks like they cut a lot of the trees back. From this area. Okay, I feel so much better today. Yes, so much better. They definitely did cut the trees here and stuff like that. It just feels much more open than the last time I walked through here. So yeah, basically at the entrance over there. Oh, just a fucking spider web. I just walked through a spider web. Great. That's just fantastic. Yeah, it looks like there hasn't been a lot of action going through here. It looks like a tornado. Honestly, it looks like a tornado has hit. There's just so much leaf rubbish everywhere. Yeah, I hope I didn't walk through a spider. I saw one spider dangling somewhere, but I hope he wasn't anywhere else, because that was not fun. Nobody wants to walk through a spider web thingamajigger. At least I know I don't. There's a church. They filmed a movie there. I still have yet to see what movie it was, but there was a movie that was filmed here. And this would be an interesting place to film, like a Walking Dead scene, because it just seems like one of those places where they would hide in like a church or something. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Like, I'm kind of excited for fall, but also, like, I don't know, I'm trying to learn to love the rain, because, you know, there are good things when it rains. Like, it's, you know, the earth is getting watered pretty much, and it wouldn't be so green without the rain and everything. So yeah, trying to learn to just appreciate the rain. This area definitely seems a little bit different. Definitely seems slightly bit different. I don't know if it's because of, like, what you call it, the trees. They definitely, I think, removed some of the trees or something, because it feels so much more open. But yeah, the last time I was here, I was scared because I heard that noise, and yeah, just wasn't fun. You can definitely see a lot of the leaves have fallen. I don't know why, but I feel like I have to rush to go back home. I hate this feeling of feeling like I have to rush. I don't know. I just want to be free in the freaking living the life that I want without having to feel rushed everywhere I go. By the way, this is a nice area too, because they have a ramp. So if you have a wheelchair, or if you have like a stroller for kids or something. And that is a giant spider. Okay, I'm not walking this way. No thanks. So I just gotta be careful here, because yeah, spiders. Just make sure there's no spiders. Looks nice here though. I mean, as nice as nice can look. By the way, guys, I'm sorry if you're tired of me visiting the same places and showing you the same places, let me know. I do want to go to different places. It's just I'm a little bit nervous about driving kind of far. I don't know if you could say I have driving anxiety, but maybe just like a little bit. Just making sure that I don't walk through that spider again. But yeah, I don't know. But I really do want to go visit some other places too. I just need to plan the day to do. Yeah, I just need to plan when I'm gonna go visit another place. By the way, look at that. The tree has fallen. This thing used to be covered with way more trees, but I like it better like this. Okay. Let's see if we can get out of here. But yeah, I'll show you like where I was when I last heard like some noise. I just saw something. I hope that was just a chipmunk. Or like a bird that just went that way. Probably a squirrel. Anyways, I was walking over there to enter to come in here, and then I heard some loud noises in the bushes, and that's when I booked it. I was like, nah, not happening. But anyways, it's time to walk back to the car. Guys, I want to show you quickly what I got. I got some frozen broccoli because that's what the recipe said. Red sauce, Alfredo sauce, some drinks, sour cream, pasta. This pasta too, that is for one of the ingredients that we're making recipes. Bagels, shredded lettuce, parsley, bread, tortilla ones to make soft tacos. Got bread here. This for my mom. We've got chicken breast, ground chicken. These are cage-free bird eggs or chicken eggs, whatever. They're like $2-3, very cheap. Turkey, cheese, more cheese, mashed potatoes, rice, some seasonings, Nutella, refried beans, salsa, lemon, avocado, just a whole bunch of stuff. Guys, so we ordered this in the mail. It's Omega Skin & Co. salmon oil, which is for dogs and cats, and I got it mainly for this guy to help him with his itching and stuff like that, and also to help because he has these like liquid bumps on his body. It's not cancerous, thankfully, but he does have those, and they're not anything bad, so there's no reason to, you know, freak out about them. But I heard they can like help kind of disappear them or whatever. But anyways, it's also for itch and allergy relief, and it also helps with shedding, so it does a little bit of everything. So I'm gonna give some to him and then some to the bigger dog. Let's see if they like it or not. Okay, so we're gonna see if the dogs like it. All right, sit, sit, sit. Okay, I guess that's a yes so far. Okay, does smell very fishy. Okay, he likes it. Please eat it. Good boy. I gotta make sure he eats it because he's a little ratatouille. So I'm gonna be putting the side ones over there so I can remember how much I gave each one. I'm gonna give each 4. Okay, that was the 4th one. So it shows you here like up to how many pounds you should give them. So if your dog weighs between 41 to 60 pounds, 4 chews, 61 and over, 6 chews, and then 2 chews if they're up to 20 pounds, 3 to 21 to 41 pounds. I don't know why I did that backwards, but this is from Amazon, so hopefully it does the trick. I will let you guys know if it does or not. Does this come? I guess I can give him 2 more because technically it's 6 for his size, because he does weigh like 90 pounds. So he's a big boy. So it seems that the dogs have approved of this product. Sit. Did boy? He likes them. I was worried that he might not like him because he's a little bit of a picky eater. He'll eat anything that you give him, which is funny. Yeah, it's a good boy. I also did get this heater for my small aquarium that I have over here by the coffee maker, by the Keurig coffee maker. We have 2 coffee makers. But by this one, because this one, it used to have a heater or whatever, but I moved it to another tank, and then this one doesn't have one, so the water is very cold, which is not that great, especially since it's winter here, and I don't want my beta to freeze, so yeah. Anyways, not freeze, but like get cold. So I'm going to set this up so that he has a heater, and I'm sure he's going to appreciate that very much. Here is what it looks like. This is the 2nd time ordering this one. I do like this heater. It heats up pretty well, and you know, there's no issues with it. So I'm gonna set this up in here. Look who's here to investigate. Is this? Did you like those treats? Yes? It should help you. So I can see the red light. Can you see it over there? Turned on, so hopefully this will warm up the water pretty quickly. You can see I do have 1 beta. I rescued this red beta from Petco. He wasn't doing so great in his cup. He was very skinny, lethargic looking, and just not swimming well. And you know, but now he's getting to be, it's just so beautiful. I mean, look at his coat. His coat. I don't know, his fins, I should say. He looks beautiful. Like, I'm just so happy I rescued him. So he's just in this tank. I know that it's small, but this is kind of like a recovery tank that I like to use for my betas and things. And sometimes certain betas prefer smaller tanks. So I might be moving my elephant ear to here because I don't think he likes tanks that are that big. So we'll see, maybe. But he's also in the bigger tank, so I don't know if I want to move him. We'll see. I did feed him, but maybe I'll feed him one more time a little bit just because he seems like he wanted to eat that petal. So, yeah. Anyways, we're gonna let this tank heat up and I'm gonna check it later and see how it's doing. But, yeah, he's cute. Also, I found this coffee thing in the back, so now we have one here. It fell back there somehow. By the way, guys, I don't know if I showed you in the video before, but this plant here, I made it attached to the top of here because I feel like that would be so pretty as it fully grows out, just to be like all over this thing. Yeah, anyways. So for dinner, I'm making chicken broccoli orzo. So it's something a little bit different. This is actually considered pasta. It's a different type of pasta. I've never seen any like this, but I'm excited to give it a try. 190 calories. But yeah, and he's here to keep me company, right? You good boy? You good boy, you're the best boy. Look at that little tail. You're the best boy. I love you so much. We've got chicken cooking in here. And then pasta. Here is the food. Yum. By the way, that's pasta. What you doing? Guys, this is his favorite game. You grab a phone, and then you see the reflection light. He loves to chase it. It's like a laser for cats, but for dogs, he can chase this all day. Watch here, boy. Here. Clifford. Oh, it's hard to do this with, like, the way I'm sitting, but yeah, he loves to chase that. Guys, I just captured another bee. This one is a really big, thick bee, so I'm gonna go put him outside, and hopefully he will go away. Freaking bees keep coming in the house because I keep leaving the door open without the screen, so the dogs can go in and out, but then this is what happens when they do that. So, yeah. Okay, I released the bee back outside, so that's good.